Breastfeeding should be comfortable for both you and your baby, but finding the right position makes all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down two of the most common breastfeeding positions, the cradle hold and the football hold. These positions help ensure a deep latch, better milk flow, and a pain-free experience. Let's get started. The cradle hold is one of the most natural and popular breastfeeding positions, great for newborns and older babies. How to do it? Sit in a comfortable chair with arm support. Hold your baby in your arms, belly to belly. Support baby's head with the arm on the same side as the nursing breast. Make sure baby's mouth is level with your nipple. Use your free hand to support your breast if needed. Why it works? Great for bonding. Baby is close and secure. Easy for newborns, helps them feel supported. Works well for full-term babies with a strong latch. Pro tip, if you have a small newborn or difficulty latching, try the cross cradle hold instead. Similar but with better head support. The football hold, also called the clutch hold, is perfect for moms who've had a C-section or need more control over baby's latch. How to do it? Sit upright and place a pillow under your arm for support. Hold your baby along your side, facing up with legs tucked under your arm, like holding a football. Use your hand to gently support baby's head and guide them to the breast. Ensure baby's mouth covers the nipple and part of the areola for a deep latch. Why it works? Great for moms recovering from a C-section. No pressure on the belly. Ideal for twins. Allows for simultaneous feeding. Helpful for babies with a weak latch. Gives you more control. Pro tip, if baby's head is tilting too far back, adjust the pillow height for better support. No matter which position you choose, a deep latch is the key to pain-free feeding and proper milk flow. Baby's mouth should cover the nipple and part of the areola. Their lips should be flanged outward, not tucked in. Listen for swallowing sounds, a sign of effective milk transfer. No pain. If it hurts, break the latch and try again. Pro tip, if you hear clicking sounds, baby may not have a secure latch. Try repositioning. Many moms face challenges in the early days of breastfeeding. Here's how to fix the most common issues. Baby isn't opening their mouth wide enough? Brush baby's lips with your nipple to encourage a wide mouth. Nipple pain or cracks. Check for a deep latch. Baby's lips should be outward, and your nipple should not look pinched. Baby keeps on latching? Adjust positioning. Make sure their body is fully supported and aligned with your breast. Pro tip, if breastfeeding continues to be painful, consult a lactation consultant for help. Finding the right breastfeeding position can make all the difference in your nursing journey. The cradle hold is great for bonding and newborns. The football hold is ideal for C-section moms and twins. A deep latch is key to pain-free feeding. Which breastfeeding position works best for you? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more breastfeeding and baby care tips. And check the description for lactation resources and expert support links.